Alright, so this camera's about to die, but here I am driving, you know, just enjoying the last few days, weeks of summer. You know what I'm saying? And I haven't taken any real videos of me, you know, driving, getting on it or anything, doing watt pulls, stuff like that. So, you guys are gonna get a treat. As soon as I get onto this highway, I'm about to freaking go the fuck off. Feel me? In about 10,